Hello friends, myself Aman Patel, and today we will discussing Java's new features like arrays. First of all, arrays is nothing but the element or object. Sorry, element not that is object in which you store multiple values. In suppose we have a store values, we use in lastly simple primitive data types and we store. But if we store multiple values, suppose if we store a number of values like we have store marks in our first class to 10th class. In every semester has a in every subject as each marks has a multiple values. We that store values, but that is a very vastly length, and it is not possible to store in a single primitive data types. So to face that problem, Java is introduced arrays. In arrays, we have stored multiple values in a single primitive data types. And how we store the values in our arrays. There has a format, and in that format, their index is starting from 0, and then second is a one index, and so on. And as we store the values, their index is increases, and just like a for loop in which we have starts from 0 and increase by 1, and there is so on to length. And suppose our length is element is a 10th, then our our length is introduced by keyword like a dot length, in which a dot length is introduced our array's length. And hence our arrays has two types, single dimensional type and a multi-dimensional type. That is the benefits of arrays. We have stored to multiple values in arrays. Also has a arrays is a suppose we have create a new object in arrays. So how we create an object or initiate the object? Simply it's a variable array name and primitive data types then equal to new keyword and there's constructor. And in arrays we have giving a parenthesis in which gives our elements like that, and that's the syntax of the array. In a array we have multiple operation like that. Suppose we have find our we have find up our fifth number of element, in which of we have taken any of the element and we search of this. And this is from my side. Thank you.